Okay, let's get this into the oven. It's at 470 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll leave the roasting pan lid on for 15 minutes and then we'll take it off for the rest of the bake. Our loaf's been in about 40 minutes and it's looking done. There's our beautiful loaf. It's a real nice miche. It's got some nice oven spring. Here's our final miche. It's still crackling as it cools. It's a 75% hydration, and it's not a real big miche. It's about 1.3 kilograms. So there's our miche. It turned out to be 1.1 kilograms.